So today we're shooting Porta 400 on my Canon 1V, and yep, pretty simple. It's 9, and we're ready. Yeah, we're in this beautiful southeast PA park. I might shoot overexposed, so we'll see. My next test subject is that bench in front of me. That's what this is. Whoa. Let's take that image. So, one of my favorite things about film photography is that each photo, you have to give it its time. It has to brew in. You gotta get every angle. You gotta see every piece of detail of the shot because you only have 36 exposures. You can't get more. So, that's the beauty of it. You gotta give it its time. You gotta slow down and look. It gives more appreciation for life.